This is the Firecracker Can. We are going to attempt to launch a can into the air with a firecracker. You will need a lighter, a firecracker, an empty tuna can. An empty salmon can works best, but you can use any other can. Poke a hole in the bottom of it so that the firecracker can go in. Make sure it's not too big. You don't want the firecracker to fall through. And you will need a little bit of water. Start by taking your salmon can with the hole in the bottom and placing your firecracker in it about 3/4 of the way in. Then you'll take your tuna can and put about half of it with water. It seems to work the best. Then you take the salmon can and put it inside of the tuna can with water. And then you put it somewhere safe. And watch out for vehicles if you're doing it on a road. Let's try this out. Looks secure. And that's the Firecracker Can. Hope you enjoy.